Are you looking for websites to earn money online? I have found four. Hey everyone, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a journey through the exciting world of making money online. In today's digital age, the internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities for individuals to earn some extra cash without ever leaving the comfort of their homes. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student looking to make ends meet, or just someone who wants to supplement their income, there's something out there for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into four fantastic websites where you can start raking in the dough. Website number one, Rev.com. Let's kick things off with Rev.com, an online platform that specializes in transcription services. But what exactly is transcription? Well, it's the process of listening to audio files or watching videos and typing out what you hear. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. All you need is a good command of the English language and some decent typing skills, and you're good to go. Rev.com offers a wide range of transcription jobs, from general transcription to specialized fields like medical or legal transcription. The best part? You get paid every single week. Depending on the type of transcription you do, you could earn anywhere from 30 cents to over $1 per minute of audio transcribed. Plus, there's no limit to how much you can work, so you can earn as much as you want, whenever you want. Website number two, Preply.com. Next up, we have Preply.com, a platform that connects students with tutors from around the world. If you're fluent in a language and have a passion for teaching, this could be the perfect opportunity for you to make some extra cash. Whether you're a native English speaker looking to teach ESL students or a math whiz who wants to help struggling students with their algebra homework, there's a demand for tutors in just about every subject imaginable. With Preply.com, you have the flexibility to set your own hours and choose the subjects you want to teach. Rates typically range from $12 to $25 per hour, depending on your experience and expertise. Plus, Preply.com offers a library of resources to help you improve your teaching skills and attract more students, so you'll never be short of support on your journey to becoming a successful online tutor. Website number three, Clickworker.com. Now let's talk about Clickworker.com, a platform that offers a variety of micro-tasks for users to complete in exchange for payment. From data entry to photography to survey participation, there's something for everyone on Clickworker.com. Whether you're looking to earn a few extra bucks in your spare time or you're interested in turning micro-tasking into a full-time gig, Clickworker.com has got you covered. Users on Clickworker.com have reported earning anywhere from $8 to $20 per hour, depending on the tasks they complete and their level of efficiency. The best part? You can work whenever and wherever you want, so you can fit micro-tasking around your existing schedule. Whether you're a student looking to earn some pocket money or a stay-at-home parent looking to contribute to the household income, Clickworker.com offers a flexible and convenient way to make money online. Website number four, UserTesting.com. Last but not least, we have UserTesting.com, a platform that offers paid opportunities for users to participate in usability testing. Companies use UserTesting.com to get feedback on their websites and apps from real users like you, and they're willing to pay for your time and insights. All you have to do is complete a test, which typically takes between 5 and 20 minutes, and you'll earn around $10 per test. Some tests even offer higher compensation, so you could potentially earn even more. The great thing about UserTesting.com is that you don't need any special skills or qualifications to get started. As long as you have a computer and an internet connection, you're good to go. Plus, you'll be helping companies improve their products and services, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So there you have it, folks. 4 fantastic websites where you can make money online without spending a dime. Whether you're interested in transcription, tutoring, micro-tasking, or usability testing, there's something for everyone. So why wait? Sign up today and start earning money from the comfort of your own home. Now, before I wrap things up, let me leave you with a few tips for success. Treat your online work like a real job. Set goals, manage your time effectively, and always strive to deliver high-quality work. Stay organized. Keep track of your earnings, expenses, and deadlines to ensure you stay on top of your game. Don't be afraid to try new things. The beauty of making money online is that there are always new opportunities waiting to be discovered. So don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. With that said, I wish you all the best on your journey to making money online. Happy hustling. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.